The dollar versus Canada is marginally higher in trading here today as the week comes to a close. I'll talk about the price action, talk about the technicals that are driving this currency pair as resistance held on the top side this week and support is holding on the downside. So we'll get started. If I were to outline some key technical levels, one level is always the moving averages, and on the 4-hour chart, the 200 bar moving average at the lows prices this week held support not once but twice before rotating to the downside. The other levels that I take a look forward is things like retracement levels and also swing levels. Swing levels are where there's a number of different swing lows or swing highs near the same area. So right here you can see there's a number of different swing highs coming in between the 1.3891 and 1.3904. That level was broken right through here, and then it became what was resistance becomes support through here, and then it was broken again, became a resistance here before moving to the downside. We didn't return to that area until a few weeks ago when the price actually moved above that level, moving up to the 38.2% retracement, and then moved down from the March high to the June low. That 38.2% retracement held, and we saw the rotation all the way to the downside. It took the price below this cluster of moving averages. This week, what did we see? We saw the 200 bar moving average hold, and then we saw the market move up back up to this swing area right through here, which was well defined way back over here, and found willing sellers against that level, rotating to the downside and rotating back down toward not the 200 bar moving average, but the 100 bar moving average right through here. The 100 bar moving average had seen price action above and below it over the last few trading weeks, although we did try to find resistance through here initially, but then traded above and below it. So in this week's trading, or more recently, I should say, in this week's trading, the price came down to that 100 bar moving average, found willing buyers, and is trading marginally higher above that level, currently at 1.38445. So what does that say? What are the technicals telling us? Well, we went up to a high area right here, lower than the previous high right here, which could only get up to the 38.2% retracement. And so that's somewhat a bearish tilt. What is more of a bullish tilt is that the 200 bar moving average held down here. We stayed above the 100-day moving average, by the way, down here, which was a low price last Friday. And we also held above the 100 bar moving average in trading here today. So there is a battle going on. There's a battle going on with a little bias to the upside above the 100 bar moving average, above the 200 bar moving average, but resistance up here against the swing area, against 38.2% retracement. And that's how we're going to end the week, and that's how we're going to go into next week's trading, where we have two interest rate decisions. Both the Bank of Canada and the Federal Reserve will announce their interest rate decisions next week, with both of them expected to cut rates by 25 basis points. If that's the case, it may still be that the price action remains in this consolidation phase, but right now with the moving averages holding on the downside, there's probably a little bit more of a bias to the upside, but there's work to do for sure in getting up at 38.2% retracement. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.